We're going to move the slab using the Slab Trans Heavy Duty. Now it's in place on the slab table, how do we cut it?
Hi there, I'm Jeff from RUBI UK. I'm here to show you the new TC-125 circular saw. So here we have the TC-125. As you can see, you've got your handle here and another handle for keeping the pressure on the machine. You've also got a water feed attachment here, and you can use a dry attachment here. So this machine can be used wet or dry. We're going to look at a couple of the features now for the TC-125. If we move this guard here, if you keep an eye, you can see we can plunge for depths of the tile. Okay, and then if we release this clamp here, we can also turn the blade to 45 the tiles that you want to cut as well. Okay, so we'll push that back over and clamp that down. You've seen me cut over the edge of the table with the TC-125. Now what we're going to do is I've moved the rail so it's in between the two guides of the table, and I'm going to cut now down through to help support the tile with the table. Here we go. So you've seen us use the TC-125 dry. We're now going to connect the hose to the hose connection here, and we're going to use the machine wet, and we're going to do another cut down the tile. Right, you've seen we've done a wet cut with the TC-125 and we've done a dry cut. What we're going to do now is a mitre cut on the tile. So to do that, just open up the guard, unlock the machine, 45 the motor, and lock it off. Now we're ready to do the mitre. So there you have the TC-125. We've done a mitre cut, we've done a straight cut, wet and dry. More water on the blade the better, keeps it cool. Thank you for watching the video. Follow us on social media and keep an eye out for more videos coming soon.